Hello, Kitchenarians! Welcome back to the Onion Kitchen. So for today's video, we will be cooking Korean fried chicken or DAKGANJEONG and honey butter garlic fried chicken. Alright, so let's get started. So for the first ingredient, we need to have 1 kilogram chicken wings or chicken thighs. You can also use chicken drumsticks, and then put 2 tablespoons rice wine. Add 2 tablespoons sea salt. You can also use iodized salt, but I prefer sea salt. And then you need to add half a teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 cup cornstarch, or you can also use potato starch, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, you can use any brand, 2 medium eggs, make sure that it's already beaten, and then make sure to mix it well, guys. After mixing it well, guys, you can let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. And then after that, we can now proceed with the frying. We need to prepare a wok or a pan for us to deep fry the chicken. Alright, so we need to fry or deep fry the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. By the way, guys, do you know that in South Korea, fried chicken is consumed as a meal, an appetizer or anju, food that is served and eaten with drinks, or as an after meal snack. They don't usually eat it with rice. Alright guys, so after deep frying all the chicken, we need to double fry the chicken. The reason why we need to double fry the chicken, if you notice guys, that if you fry a chicken after a couple of minutes, it will be soggy. So for us to remove all the remaining water inside the chicken, we need to double fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. And then after deep frying it, we need to prepare the Korean fried chicken sauce. So we need to put 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and then you need to put 2 tablespoons minced garlic or chopped garlic. Make sure that the heat is at its lowest point, and then you can now add 3 tablespoons ketchup or tomato sauce, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, one-4 cup brown sugar, and then make sure to mix it well, guys. Put 1/4 cup honey for the flavor, and then you need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons gochujang. It is a Korean chili paste, guys, so if you love to eat chili or spicy food, guys, you can add more. After a minute or 2, guys, if you see that the sauce is kind of brownish, you can now put the chicken. Make sure that all the chicken is well coated with the sauce, and then you can now serve it. You can sprinkle it with sesame seeds and serve it with the beer. You can really enjoy this Korean fried chicken, guys, while watching K-drama series. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can comment down below, guys, if you wanted to know more Korean food recipes, or if you are new here on this channel, you can hit the notification bell icon to get updated once I posted a new recipe. Since not everyone is a fan of spicy food, guys, I decided to make honey butter garlic chicken or fried chicken. So for the first ingredient, guys, we need to put 4 tablespoons butter. And then put 4 cloves finely chopped garlic. And then 2 teaspoons soy sauce. You can use low sodium. And then 1/4 cup brown sugar. Two teaspoons honey for the flavor. And then you can now put the chicken and you can turn off the heat for us to make sure that the sauce will not be burnt. And then make sure that the chicken is well coated with the sauce. And there you go, guys, we have our honey butter garlic fried chicken, jeolmokgo, or eat well in Korean. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get updated once I posted a new recipe. Enjoy! Keep safe, guys!